Today I'm going to show you 3 different ways to cook corn on the cob the next time you go camping. So it's summer, and what's more summer than corn on the cob? So hi, if we haven't met yet, I'm Holly with Let's Go Now Adventures, and our channel is about all things camping. So whether you tent camp or RV camp, our goal is to just help you have a great camping experience. So let's get started. We're going to do corn 3 different ways over the campfire. The first way is we're going to do corn in the husk. Now I have been soaking it for an hour, so that's going to help steam the corn. Okay, the second way is we're just going to cook the corn in some tin foil. So I'm going to go ahead and shuck the corn. Okay, now we're going to take 2 pieces of tin foil, about 12 by 18. And we're just going to go ahead and prep the corn right here. I'm going to start out with some butter. You know, there's so many things that you could put on the corn. You could put some minced garlic, some onion powder, just so many different things. So we've got some butter on, and this is going to melt just nicely in this tin foil. Some salt, some pepper, and then I'm just going to add a little bit of basil leaves tonight. It's kind of a nice touch. Alrighty, so we're going to go ahead and wrap our corn up. Once in the first layer, and then the second layer. Now it doesn't matter, shiny side up, shiny side down, either way works. And then fold the sides in, and this is ready to go on the coals. Now you'll want to make sure to turn the corn often to help keep it from burning. Take my gloves off. Ooh, and that's already been buttered, so look how yummy that one looks. Okay, so the one in the husk. Ooh, look at that steam coming out. This one's probably my favorite because it steams the corn. Now, one thing to do is just leave the husk on to the very, very end so you have something to hold on to it while you eat it. Okay, so the third way is we're going to actually grill our corn. Now, if you can see, the way that John has actually built the fire is the outer logs will actually support the grill. And then as the fire burns, the coals will fall in towards the middle, which will make it ideal for grilling. Now, if you would like to know how to make this type of fire, check out the link above. So we're going to leave the grill on the coals for about 5 minutes. So when we go to put the corn on, it'll be nice and hot. Let's grill us some corn. So we just grilled this today over the campfire, but you could just grill it over your gas grill, and it may be a little bit easier. Juicy, excuse me. So if you like corn as much as I do, one of these methods is sure to work for you. Plus, it's really fun. What a neat treat to make while you're up camping. So hey, if you got some value out of this video, give me a big thumbs up. We would also love to have you subscribe to our channel and check out our Facebook group. It's Adventures Campfire Connection. We would love to have you join. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next adventure. The second way we're going to do it is I've got the corn all husked, Husked, hucked, peeled.